Welcome back. There is a need for youth to take up farming as their occupation. Pale MLA Pratap Gawas expressed this at a field day on Navin Rice held at Amona in coordination with CESA Goa and ICAR.
युवा पिढीन आता पुढे सरपाची गरज असा. एक टाइम असलो आमचे जे युथ असा युथ नवीन जी आता पिढी असा ती पुढे सरपाक सोदिना. पण जर आता जर नवीन मेकॅनायझेशन येयल्या, ट्रॅक्टर येयल्या, हार्वेस्टिंग येयला, इवन ट्रान्सप्लांटर येयला, म्हणजे जे आता तरवो सुद्धा लावपाचा तेका ट्रान्सप्लांटर येयला. ते जर तेजो उपक्रम जर जे आता नवीन पिढी येयली आसा तेंच्यांनी जर तेजो जर फायदो घेत जाल्यार या शेतकऱ्यांक फायदो जातलो.
Field Day on Navin Rice was celebrated at Amona by Krishi Vigyan Kendra ICAR Research Complex for Goa in association with CESA Goa Limited. This village is adopted by ICAR. Various programs are held in village to promote farming and increase growth of crops in the village. A high-yield species of Navin rice has been grown in the village. Farmers were demonstrated modern methods of farming. Director of ICAR, NP Singh, also explained integrated crop management in rice in a workshop, Farmers Field School.
But our target is that we should bring some new variety from other parts of the country and test in our center first. After that, if performance is good, then we are taking on the farmers field. So we have brought a series of variety, and out of that we found that Naveen is a very good variety.
Agriculture Officer of Bicholi Pradeep Marik says that support of farmers is necessary to initiate any new method or technology in farming. Our reporter from Amona, Uday Parab.
And now news from sports. The preparations for the 2011-12 season of the I-League are nearing their final phase. The Goa Football Association and representatives of I-League clubs conducted a meeting to take stock of the situation. The security measures were particularly discussed in this meeting at Fatorda.
Led by GFA General Secretary Albert Colasso, the delegation of officials inspected the Nehru Stadium. The officials discussed various responsibilities and were praised about their roles. Media officer of Salgaonkar Sports Club, Abhijit Patil, revealed the details.
Where all the senior police officials were present, we were briefed about the security around the stadium, and we were also told about the entry points for pedestrians, for motor vehicles and for other cars. So all in all, it was a briefing session for all the clubs as to how the arrangements will be for the upcoming I-League, which starts on 22nd. And since Salgaonkar is playing their first match on 22nd, it was of utmost importance to us to come and look for after all the arrangements.
This is the first time the clubs will share the responsibilities of organizing I-League matches. Salgaonkar, Dempo and Churchill have allotted various personalities for different duties, while Sporting Club are going their own way. This season will be a different challenge in the organizational aspects, as Goan I-League clubs will get a taste of administrative duties. Our reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt.
Goa's #1 swimmer Talasha Prabhu will have to wait till the Senior National Championships in Ranchi to find out whether she can represent India at the London Olympics. The teenager could not give the qualifying timing at the Asian Championships in Jakarta. Talasha ended the championship with a bronze medal in 50-meter freestyle competition in Indonesia on Thursday evening. This was her 4th international medal till date. Coach of Indian team Pradeep Kumar was disappointed that Talasha could not give her best time of 26.90 seconds on Thursday. Had she finished the race in 26.90 seconds, Talasha possibly could have won a silver medal and the prestigious Olympic berth. In Talasha's defense, coach Pradeep Kumar admitted that humidity levels and temperature was quite high, not conducive to Indian swimmers. The encouraging part, however, is that Talasha has a next opportunity to qualify for the Olympics next month. Talasha will have to be at her best in Ranchi for the senior nationals to be held between 16 to 21st November this year. However, Talasha will be boosted by her record at Jharkhand National Games, wherein she had earlier managed 5 medals for Goa. It means that Talasha will enter the competition with a lot of confidence. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.